Hi, today we're going to take a look at how you can combine Power BI and NFC tags. NFC tags are wireless chips and you can use them with the Power BI app to open a report on your mobile phone or tablet. So what are some potential use cases? Maybe I need to do some maintenance of my machines. I can go to machine, scan the tag, and immediately I can see what is the usage history of that device, what is the maintenance history. I can pull up all those statistics. Another use case might be in a warehouse. I have some pallets with orders for clients lined up, and I want to see what are the contents of those pallets, what's inside the boxes. I can just scan the NFC tag and immediately see all those details. We're going to take a look at how the interaction works with the Power BI mobile app. Then we'll go into the specifics on how to set it up, how do you make that link actually work, and then what are also the best practices, types of tags that you actually need to make this magic happen. First of all, what does it look like scanning an NFC tag on the Power BI mobile app? I have some tags prepared already. When you have a mobile phone or a tablet which is NFC enabled, you simply hover over the NFC tag and it will pop up a message to open it up in the Power BI mobile app. And you can see that it can open different reports or different filter contexts depending on the tag that I'm scanning. So here I have my device 1001. If I take another NFC tag and I scan it, then you will see that it will open the report page for that second device. Now that we know a little bit how the user experience looks like, the next question is how to set it up. So you go to the Power BI mobile app, you open the report page with the specific filter context that you want. And if you want to attach that view to an NFC tag, you tap on the three dots on the top right, and then you select NFC. You tap NFC, then you select Start Scanning. You hover over your NFC tag, and then it's going to write to that specific tag. If you then go out of the app and you scan that tag, it will pop up that message and you can immediately go back to that view that you have saved. So what NFC tags do you actually need? Because there are different variants available. In terms of form factor, it doesn't really make a difference. So they come in different shapes and sizes. I have this disc type of NFC tags. You also have them in a smaller format. So it's just the chip itself that you can see. It's more in a sticker format. You also have them in cards. There are different shapes and sizes. The form factor doesn't really difference, but the type of NFC tag does make a difference. So you need to have the NTAG 215. And that's mainly because you need a certain amount of storage. If you go for a cheaper option like the NTAG 213, there is not enough storage on that chip, and you will get an error message when you try to scan your NFC tag. Go for the NTAG 215 or the NTAG 216. 215 is more than enough to work with Power BI, and it's also cheaper than the 216. So that would be my advised NFC type. And while it's very neat that you can write NFC tags with the Power BI mobile app, it's probably not the easiest way to work with it in a real-world scenario. So let's go back to our example of our warehouse where I have customer orders and I want to scan to see what is the contents of that order. If I want to do it, then I need to create a view for each individual order and scan those NFC tags, which is going to be very time consuming. But there is actually a smarter way of doing that by using deep linking. And in this next video, I'm going to show you how to set this up.